Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video I am going to show you complete beginner guide to TradingView in 2025. Whether you are into stock, crypto or forex, TradingView is one of the most popular charting tools out there, and I will show you step by step how to use it. So without any further ado, let's jump right in and help you become confident hand charts and technical analysis. So first of all, what actually is TradingView? So TradingView is a web-based charting platform used by millions of traders around the world. You can view real-time market data, analyze charts with advanced indicators, share ideas and strategies with the community, and create custom alerts and screens. Even connect your broker to trade directly. It works on desktop, tablet and mobile. No installations actually needed. So now let's create a free TradingView account. So let's get started. First of all, head over to TradingView.com and then just click sign in up, and as you can see we already have an account in here. So you can register using email, Google or Apple. Once sign in, choose a free plan to begin. You can always upgrade later for more features. The free plan gives you one chart, 3 indicators per chart and basic alerts, perfect for getting started. So now let's open a chart and choose a market. So you just need to click on chart into the top navigation bar here. You just need to go over here and you will start from in here. So here you can see we have a couple of things like forex, crypto, stocks. So which one chart you want, you just need to click at the top left, search any symbol like Apple, Bitcoin, forex pair, click it and your chart will load. As you can see, if I see that Amazon share is not as good, it already saw a drop, so you can see the chart as it you want. Then you will see candlestick on the main screen, price and time on the axis, tools and indicators on the left side bar, and watch list and ideas on the right. So let's break this down next. So first thing first, you just need to customize your chart. So TradingView is super customizable here. How to set up your workspace, change the chart style. So here you can see we have things like get widget, area, candles, then launch full chart view. So we have a couple of things to do in here, then we can do this kind of thing. So let's say I'm going to refresh this one, and here you can see it already been start the working. So I am going to click on F12 in here. So I'm getting an issue in here unfortunately. So here you can see it already been worked. So here this is the chart, you will get this way. So you can adjust the time frame. You just need to click to the time frame button into the here you can see into the bottom you can see the time frame. If you click on day, you will see day trending in here. Then you can select what fits your strategy, is scalping, day trading or long term. Add indicators, like you just need to click over here to the indicators, and then you will eventually see your indicators at the tops. You can search for RSL, then you can click to add them to your chart. You can add drawing tools, like you can use the left toolbar to add trade lines. So here you can see you can add these trade lines from that to that. This always you will see that trader always use this one, it's really helpful. Then you can use support and resistance zones, then Fibonacci retracement and takes and notes. Let me give a pro tip that use the lock icon to freeze your drawing in space. So here this is the one. So you just need to understand this whole interface wisely, then you can easily use this as your training or trading or long-term trading. So now let's set a price alert. If you want to get notified when a stock hits a certain price, right click on the chart at your targeted price and click alert. Like here you just need to click over here and then right click this one. Like here I am going to click this one, and you can add alert in here. Just click this one, and when the chart will be hit in here, you will get an alert. You can choose the condition like sound and message, then click create. You will get pop-ups, email or push notification even on the free plan. Alerts help you stay on to the top of traders without watching charts all day. Now let's talk about the watch list and layout. Let's say watch list. On the right side you will see in here, to the right side in here you will see the watch list on the top. So you just need to click to the plus icon. Once you did, then you can add your favorite stock, cryptos or foreign pairs. Let's say I am going to add the gold in here, it will be added. Then you can add Bitcoin, Tesla, SpaceX, whatever. As you can see, gold already been added. If I click over here, you will see that gold is always increasing, but right now gold already been dropped. Now again it is increased from. So you can see 5-year trading day, and here you will eventually see that gold almost increased so much. So now let's talk about the layout. Free plan is equal to 1 chart per tab. Pro plans let you view 2-8 charts on the same screen. You can also save your layout by clicking the floppy disk icon so you don't lose your setup. Now let's talk about the Explorer community and ideas. So on unique feature of TradingView is social trading community. On the right panel you just need to click to the ideas, and here you will find out that option called ideas. So here let's see is it available in here or not. So here you will see that pop ideas options. You can browse through technical analysis shared by other traders. You can follow experienced analysts or comment on their chart, and you can also share your own charts by clicking publish, making it a great for learning and networking. Let me give a pro tip that follow only verified or highly rated authors for quality insist. Now let's give a bonus tip, that is use built-in strategies and screens. Like if you want to find trade setups automatically, you can go stock screener at the bottom, click stock screener. Like here you can see we have thing like here, like this one, and you will see stock screener. Then filter the price, market cap, volume, indicators and more. Works for crypto and forex too. Then the strategy tracer. So this one is really amazing to have this kind of thing. Like you can add a strategy, skip from the indicator list. You can use the strategy tester tab below the chart, and then like here you can see this is the strategy tester. You can use this one. Then you can use or see win rate, profit loss and back testing results. This is a game changer for building and testing your trading edge. Now let's talk about the conclusion and the final tips for you. To recap, TradingView is the ultimate charting tool for beginners and pros alike. Powerful chart, easy to use tools, real-time data, alerts, built-in strategies, common sharing and start free. Master the basic and upgrade as you grow. If you found this helpful, please give this video a like, subscribe and drop a comment if you want a full tutorial on indicators, backtesting and automation bots in TradingView. Thanks for watching.